Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we will tackle the bill of materials and the manufacturing module within Stock and Buy. This tutorial will guide you how to create and edit your BOM products and create and manage your production orders in the manufacturing module. What is a bill of material? A bill of material, also referred to as BOM, is a comprehensive list of raw materials or parts contributing to building a finished product. Each line of the BOM specifies the component name and the number of units used in the production process. BOMs are often used in manufacturing or inventory management to ensure that all required components are on hand and that products can be assembled efficiently. Now, let's jump into creating a BOM. First, go to your inventory module and click on Products. On the top right corner of the page, click Create Product. In this example, let's create the product bike. As business owners, we all know that for us to be able to produce a bike, we have to have its components. I will put in the description that this is a Japanese bike with 2 tires. Then save, scroll down, and click on Convert to Bundle. So once you click on Convert to Bundle, a dialog box will pop up. On the top left corner of this dialog box, check the box to indicate that this product you have is a manufactured product. To add the components, click Add Line and start adding the components of the BOM with their respective quantities. For example, let's add the tires, the brake, and the frame. Once all the components are added, click Save and Close. Creating a BOM is pretty easy and simple. In Stock and Buy, you can also edit an existing BOM. Go to the Inventory module and click on Products. Search for the product that you want to edit. Let's say we forgot to add the saddle seat for the bike. Let's go ahead and click on the bike. Scroll down and click on Edit BOM. Click on the Add line, search for the component, which is, for our example, the saddle seat, and put in the quantity for the BOM. Click Save and Close. It's important to note that you can only edit bill of material products that are not in use in open sales, purchases, or production orders. Now, let's dive into converting a simple product and variant to a BOM. There are times when you have to change a variant or bundle that currently exists into a BOM. To do this, go to your Inventory module, click on Products, and look for the product you want to edit. For this example, let's look for a simple product that we will convert into a BOM. Let's search face mask. Once I'm in the product I want to edit, scroll down and click on Convert to a bundle. Let's indicate that this is a manufactured product by checking the box, and then go ahead and click Add Line to add the components and indicate the quantity. Once you're done adding the components of the BOM, save it and close. Now, to convert an existing variant to a BOM, look for the product that contains the variant you want to convert into a BOM. Do the same process and search for the product cups, which we'll use as an example. Let's say that this cup of 6 variant is the product I want to convert into a BOM. I will select the variant, then click Actions on the right corner, and once you click this, there will be a drop-down menu. Click Convert to Bundle or Bill of Materials. Don't forget to click the checkbox to indicate that this is a manufactured product. Then add the line of the components of the BOM. Once you're done, click Save and Close. To identify that the variant is already converted into a BOM, a wrench tool icon will appear beside the variant name as an indicator. Now that your BOM has already been set up, you can proceed to create production orders. To create production orders, go to the Manufacturing module. This will lead you to a new interface displaying the manufacturing view. But before I get into creating a production order, let's discuss first what's within the manufacturing view. Here, you'll find a generic search bar that allows you to search for production orders using order numbers, supplier names, or reference numbers. Also, you can utilize the filter functionality to sort your orders based on various criteria such as order status, location, supplier, order creation date, or tags. Then click on Apply Filters. You can also save your preferred filtered view by clicking the star icon and naming it, such as Completed, and selecting Save View. You can customize the view by choosing to display 50, 100, 500, 1000, or all orders. Use the eye icon option to hide columns, the XLS icon to export table data to CSV, copy icon to copy table data, or print icon to print the data in another format. The manufacturing view displays various columns including order numbers, dates, manufacturers, locations, statuses, BOM products, quantities, yields, production start, and cost. We also have the Create button, which will direct you to an interface where you can input the necessary information to generate your production orders. Next, utilize the import functionality to upload multiple production orders simultaneously. Once you click Import, you'll find that the only option to import production orders is by importing by CSV. Here, you can download the template, fill it with your production order details, and upload it back to the system. The system will then automatically import your production orders. We also have the bulk action functionality that allows you to perform an action to multiple orders. You can use the bulk action function to start production, open for edits, and make amendments, or complete production for multiple draft orders at once. Just don't forget to click the products first. Now let's delve into the specifics of creating a production order. To initiate this process, navigate to the manufacturing module and click on the Create button at the top right corner of the screen. Upon entering the creation interface, the first step is to select the manufacturer and input the details of the finished product. For instance, in this demo, we'll designate Site Traders as the manufacturer and specify the finished product as bike. To proceed, choose the production type. You can see that there are two production types, assembly and disassembly. Let's distinguish the difference between the two. Assembly orders involve assembling a finished product from its corresponding parts as defined in the BOM. On the contrary, disassembly orders involve dismantling a finished product into its constituent parts as defined in the BOM. In this case, we'll focus on assembling the bike, assigning it an order number, a creation date, and a location. Specify the quantity you want to produce and the yield quantity as the actual quantity upon completion. Upon entering the finished product, the system will automatically generate line items corresponding to the components in the BOM, each with their respective quantities. For instance, the system has identified the quantity for the bike's components, and since we aim to assemble two bikes, the quantity is adjusted accordingly. Additionally, you can include labor or overhead cost. In this demo, we'll add a labor cost of $20. You'll notice that each component in the BOM has two allocated stock entries in the allocation section, indicating the available stock for production. You can also utilize the Notes and Tags section to add relevant tags or notes for organizational purposes. Furthermore, you can associate the order with other related orders by clicking Link on Order, searching for the appropriate order number, and saving the connection. The History section provides a comprehensive overview of all actions performed within the order. You can review this log to track the order's progress and any changes made over time. Review the allocations and details, and when you're ready, click Save. At this point, the order is saved as a draft. Upon starting production, its status will transition to in production. Throughout the production process, you can make necessary amendments or adjustments. Once the production is complete, click on Complete to finalize the order. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to create and edit BOM products and manage production orders within the manufacturing module. Utilize these functionalities to streamline your production processes effectively within Stock and Buy. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope it has been helpful. Stay tuned for more informative content, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out.